On Tuesday, May 13th, several areas in Beijing were hit by a rare and extreme hailstorm, catching residents off guard and causing significant damage. The hailstones that fell on the capital were huge, some reported to be bigger than eggs. Footage shared by residents on social media showed hailstones with diameters exceeding 4 centimeters striking the ground. In districts like Haidian and Shijingshan, heavy hail poured down from the sky, while reports from Xiqing district describe hailstones as large as chicken eggs. Some residents even weighed the ice chunks. To protect their cars, some drivers quickly pulled over beneath overpasses or bridges to shield themselves from the hailstorm. However, this led to significant traffic congestion in certain areas, as the line of stopped vehicles created temporary blockages. The chaotic scene was made worse by the constant blaring of horns, as frustrated drivers struggled to navigate through the gridlock. The sound of the hail resembled gunshots or firecrackers as the ice shattered on impact with hard surfaces, covering roads and sidewalks in a blanket of white fragments. Vehicles parked outdoors were among the hardest hit. Many car windows were smashed, and body panels were dented by the force of the falling ice. Entire rows of cars appeared damaged, with some looking as if they had just been in a serious collision. The sudden hailstorm caught many people off guard, especially drivers who were on the road when it began. With no shelter available, some vehicles were immediately damaged by the pounding hailstones.
Footages shared by citizens online showed hailstones.
Residents shared dramatic footage of the storm, showing relentless hail battering the ground. The noise was deafening, resembling gunfire or firecrackers as the ice cracked upon hitting hard surfaces, blanketing streets and sidewalks in a thick layer of icy fragments. Vehicles left outside were particularly vulnerable, bearing the brunt of the storm's fury. Beijing is currently under multiple weather alerts, including a yellow warning for lightning, a blue warning for strong winds, and another yellow warning for hail. Meteorological authorities have advised residents to stay indoors whenever possible and to secure any outdoor items that could be affected by the severe weather conditions. Car owners have been urged to move their vehicles to underground garages or sheltered areas to avoid further damage.
这个，哇，这小区完蛋了，都被砸了。洋装啊，亮着我这个灯。哎呦，这个灯罩坏了还行。这不灯罩吗？是吗？对。
疯了啊！你看看这也太邪乎了。
Meteorologists explained that the recent series of hailstorms and severe weather events were triggered by unstable atmospheric conditions, combined with the rapid development of strong convective cloud systems. During the transition from spring to summer, the clash between warm, humid air and cooler temperatures can trigger severe weather patterns, such as hailstorms, strong winds, and lightning. As extreme weather events become more frequent and intense, authorities are urging the public to stay vigilant and increase awareness of the risks posed by such conditions.
炸锅了啊！下饺子了！看这，哇！
这惊到了。
Residents are advised to stay indoors during storms, avoid temporary structures and large signs that could collapse, and secure items like flower pots or furniture on balconies. Farmers are encouraged to cover their crops with protective materials and closely monitor weather forecasts to take preventive measures in advance. The hailstorm caught many residents off guard, especially drivers who were on the road when the sudden downpour began. Car owners are advised to move their vehicles to underground garages or sheltered areas to prevent further damage. The atmosphere on the city streets was tense and dramatic. Drivers who had already left their homes couldn't avoid the sudden hailstorm. All they could do was accept the situation, hoping to get home quickly or find a safe place to take shelter.
这是北京刚刚下的冰雹啊，这已经化了。它应该，我刚捡回来的时候比核桃还要大，太吓人了。
As extreme weather
Hailstones around 4 centimeters in diameter sparked panic, especially among drivers, as many vehicles suffered dents and shattered windows. The sudden, intense storm left residents facing unexpected damage and repair costs. Experts warn that climate change is driving more frequent extreme weather, prompting calls to improve infrastructure, early warnings, and public preparedness.